I think I'll have the sine table. Yes. Do you see? So this is something you must remember. Okay, this is something you must remember, and I'll give you a little trick how to remember this. How to remember the values of sine. You write something like this: root 1, root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3, and root 4. Divide everything by 2. Okay? You just have to remember that it starts from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Do you understand? I'll, I'll explain once more, okay? How to remember at least the values for sine. Do this. Start from 0, but under root. So root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. And then divide everything by 2. Okay. You get these values. Check. Are you getting these values? Yes. Okay. So this is how you can remember. Now, if you remember sine, for cosine, what you need to do is just flip these values. Okay. So that's what we are going to learn today also. So I'll just show you. So whatever is sine 0 degrees, the same value is cos 90 degree. So this is cos 90 degrees. Uh, this is cos 60 degrees. This will be cos 45 degrees. This will be cos 30 degrees. And this will be cos 0 degrees. Okay? So you just see it has got flipped. The left, so a mirror image basically. For tan. Now, if you remember sine and cosine values, tangent values are easy. Do sine upon cosine. That's what tangent is. Do you know this relation that tangent is equal to sine upon cosine? Okay. So, if someone asks you what is tan 0, what do you say? Tan 0 is equal to sine 0 upon cos 0. So, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. 0 upon 1 is 0. Then let's look at tan of 30 degrees. Okay. So, tan of 30 degrees is equal to sine of 30 degrees upon cos of 30 degrees, which is root 3 by 2. So this gives you 1 by root 3. Can you see? And let's check once. See, tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So you don't need to remember all these values. Just remember one table. Just remember this sine table and you are good to go. Can you remember this much at least? Awesome. Okay.